me, Cynthia Bailey-Hill. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. I love love. I'm such a lover of love. I'm a Pisces, so it's all about love. So I want to give love not only to the love of my life, Mike Hill, but to my girlfriend. So happy Valentine's Day and happy Gal-antine Day. I have the most delicious Valentine's Day cocktail for you guys. It's called Love at First Sip. We're gonna start with Seagram's Escapes Strawberry Daiquiri. Okay, this is the easiest recipe. I actually froze some strawberry daiquiri ice cubes in my cute little heart trays here. I have a blender on deck, and then I have a bottle of champagne, and I have some strawberries for garnish. So, easiest recipe ever. You can keep it simple, like I did, and just use the champagne and the Seagram's Escapes Strawberry Daiquiri. Mix it together and enjoy it that way, or you can have a little bit more fun with it. So, super easy. I'm going to dump these in my blender and a little bit of champagne. You can pour it into taste. And I'm going to top it off with my Seagram's Escape Strawberry Daiquiri. All right, here we go. All right, quick and easy. Oh, yum. Here is the frozen version of our Love at First Sip. I'm just gonna throw a strawberry inside. Here is my non-frozen version. I love options. A girl has to have options. So, cheers everyone.